Poa poa. Welcome, guys. Yeah, this is a morning traditional vibe. Just be patient, morning. Morning. Yeah, now is now. How are you, morning? I'm fine. Yeah, this morning vibe, guys. Keep on watching. It's Makamgenda. Now we start this vibe with Nyatiti. It's a traditional instrument from western part of Kenya. Before we start, guys, don't move. Just 1 minute. I forget to carry jingles. 1 minute, guys. Thank you so much. I forget to carry these things, guys. As if you notice, we call it jingles. Let me now tie this jingle. D, how are you? Okay, let's continue now. Thank you so much for being patient. Now I have them. morning. I see Jay. Winnie also in the vibe. Omula, how are you, my friend? Winnie, good morning. Oh, Winnie, oh yeah, sipping. Remember the instrument is called Nyatiti. Oh, in your baba, oh, in your baba, Winnie, how are you, Winnie? There's some money. Humbly, I see MC overdose. Wirakuru, Baba, Agoni Tumgio, Agoni Tumba, Ila, yeah, Omera, tap on the screen. I'm from Diani, Ila Yobuda, Juni. I see Jaffet, Jaffi Baba. Lori, you all now, Caponi Yonge. Yaloy, you Hilari. Yaloy, you Winnie. Yaloy, you Winnie, Winnie Elsa. This is a morning vibe with Makam Genda. Yeah, traditional vibe. Wololo Baba, Wololo Baba. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. My name is Makam Genda. And now you have already started this vibe. We call it morning vibe. If you're watching on YouTube, you better put down your comments. Benny, Mama Mboga, I see Costa, Winnie Elsa, Winnie Mama. Vati yo Kitkari Bella outside the vine. Well, I do all Caponi Yonge Sipping. Thank you so much, Sippy. You are welcome in morning bar. I see Winnie Elsa. Kevo Baba, Kevo Baba. I am. Oh yeah, Bella. Sippy. Ha. Kulangom. Yeah. Kulangom. Winnie Elsa. Sippy. Ha. Bella, Billy. How are you, Billy? You better tell me now. Can you perform Kwashere? Omera, that's what I do. Billy, hello. Billy, aye. Morning, Billy, Bum. Morning, Billy, Bum. Morning, Billy, Bum. Tiger! Don't go, This is a morning vibe. Kulangoma. You Doesn't matter where you are. Bele, oh, bele. Tiger also in the van. Bele, oh, bele. Jackie, I see Elsa. Yeah. Papa, say hi to Bella. Bella, Bella, beautiful Bella. Tiger outside the wall like that party. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Bella, can you dance? Yeah, this is a morning vibe. If you are not dancing, you are in wrong place. Bangaluero, 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 Mario, con la cola, limo, yeah, Bella, this is a vibe morning. Tap the screen. If you have a share, if you have something to share, like a gift now, you better share now. Yeah. Kanungo. Bella, you need to share. You better check what Mama gave you. Coffee. Bangaluero, Bangaluero, Bangaluero. Hannah, morning Hannah. Now vibing with traditional band. Now she, Hannah, yeah. Hannah, mama. Good morning, yeah. Bella, is your morning good? Bella, mama. Hannah, yeah. Hannah also in the line. Yeah. Rastaman, Kizito. Kulangoma. Yeah. Rastaman never die. They rest in peace. Now dancing. Yeah. Can you walk up when you can you want to see Winnie? Yeah, Winnie Mama. Remember we are here with Rastaman. Winnie else out for you have to dance. Abile, Abilele, Abilele, Abilele. Tiger outside the vine. Mlamu Abarigani. Yeah, that's a fun night. If you don't want to shake, I don't know where you have to be. Yanga la la la. Yeah. Thank you so much, God. Yeah, Lord, good year. Ungena ten good year. Yeah. Yaburu ha. Tender from UK. Wee! Morning, everyone. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'm really happy to see you watching. Yeah, this is a very special morning vibe. Bele. Keep on watching, guys. If you're watching, just keep on watching. And now, this is a very special vibe. If you have any question, Rastaman never die. Also in the vibe, we have already starting vibe, guys. Fernandez, how are you? Morning. Okay, you have to do that. You have to do that. Avile. Avile. Hello. I am here with Rastaman. Yeah. Unaonaje? I don't know. Rastaman. My brother Rastaman also in the van. We are now starting morning vine. Tiger kabisa ni na hiyo. Bele. Paloma. Paloma, bye-bye. Paloma, bye-bye. Yes! Abele, onde vai? Rastaman. Matias. Adiós, bye-bye. Yeah, Juna. How are you, Juna? I know, right? Was calling live and I see Sakia. Yeah, Bele, Oliva, Bele, I see me just. Bele, Yuma. I like the mood now. Creative is not another level. I see Max also in the bar. Yeah. Tap the screen guy. Good morning. Where are you? What are you doing? Are you still sleeping? Yeah, one bit also in the one. Just yeah. Bele. Amadive. When else I so sorry when I say Elsa. Bele. Tiger is mad. Anataka ku vibe with Bele. I don't know Bele, have you taken? Tap the screen, guys. And if you have something like a gift, you have to just share with Winnie in the Buddha. Yeah, Winnie. Emily, Joanna, boss, yeah. Max Matias, thank you so much, my brother. Yeah. Tender, I see Tender. Tender is speaking Omera, don't joke. You see it? Tap the screen, guys. Omera, Amanda, how are you morning? Feliz Anna, Rastaman. It's a holistic. It's a tiger. Have you with you? Yeah. Rastaman tell him this a Luo. It's a Luo nation on the vibe with the Luo Maka Mugenda. Winnie. Jamberu Winnie. Hello. Jamberu Winnie. Thank you so much, Rastaman. Jamberu Winnie. Yenga koni gato mama. Aproba. Wallo Winnie. Yeah. Rastaman. Have you seen Winnie mama? Hello. Belle, belle. Belle, ale. Winnie mama. Yeah. You're blessed. You never disappoint. By the time you believe in Jah, everything. Hello. Gonna. Yeah. I see you. Well, no, Belle, mama. Yeah. Well, no. Oh, dear. What mama? Have you seen Winnie? There's a guy by the name Rastaman, also in the vibe. We gonna zombie. Rastaman never die, guys. You know that. Anashindwa kutoka. Mbona unashindwa? Belle dance. Belle dance. I wanna see Winnie. Yeah. I do know. I got to. You know there's some ladies that were normally created on Monday like Winnie and Belle. Yeah. When Jah is alive. Yeah, thank you so much. Mshindwa kutoka mbona. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. This is a vibe with Maka Mugenda, and you know, vibe is a vibe. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda, Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Yeah, now I'm going with the list. Emilio Santaman. Good morning, now you're my Changa. Good morning, now you're my yeah. Oyombra. Yeah. Abele. Have you seen the now you're my belly? Lizzie. Kumulungo nyao yoma. Hello. Habari asubuhi. Rastaman mzuri sana. Yo. Nyao yoma. Hello. Jeremy. Yeah. Tend on the vibe from South Africa, Mashariki, Akie, Tumulungo nyao yoma, yeah, Abele, Abele, voila, Rastaman also in the vibe. Yeah. Have you gone to Uyoma? There's a in Kenya called Uyoma. Uyoma. Yeah. Jenny. Good morning. Good morning. Kaso. Yeah. Yeah. I know some people now they don't understand, but you don't. Forget about the what. Just concentrate on the beat. Flow, tap the screen, guys. Morning, Michael. Yeah. Yeah, Lizzie. Ah, Rigano Mori, Rigano Mundi, Umundi Riga, Roberto Baba, Roberto Baba, Rigano Mundi, Mulanga, Jamum. Yeah, how are you? Tell me. Yeah. Advance also divine. I'm fine, my dear. How are you doing? Oh, no, no, Hapo sasa. Advance. Odindo nene go to plastic surgery. I see Mudoi. Mudoi wa akondani. Emma akondani. Hey! Mama, tap the screen. If you have a gift, guys, why you have to share? Yeah, kill me with a gift if you have. Yeah. Thank you so much, Belle. Avele beni winja, Belle, Belle mama. Belle, I wish ningemwona mama yako Belle. You know beautiful lady like Belle. They look like their mom. Don't forget there's a beautiful lady by the name Lizzie. Hello. Belle nene bunda nyaga. Yeah. Nyaga mita. Akondani. Nyaga akondani. Mita baba akondani. Yeah. Kulawaya. Engineer James. Omera, you have to tap the screen, guys. Kasi morning. My name is Makam Genda. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, you have to do that. I really appreciate your time, guys. This morning vibe with Nyatiti. Nyatiti is an instrument from western part of Kenya, guys. Yeah. You know me? De la Aninyaga Bele mama Ele buda king Bele bele Winnie Elsa Winnie Elsa Mami Yeah This is now I'm fine Ras Kenya mama Tenene pungo Just a king magia kanya Magie, yeah. Lucy, wadagi nyundo. Lucy, Lucy, yeah. Have you seen the beautiful lady by the name Lizzie? Yeah. Where are you from? Thank you so much. I was hanging. Thank you so much. I was hanging, you know. Beni, Beni Baba, Charity dance. I'm from Diani right now. My hometown is in Sia. Tiki Mama Pen, Tiki Mama Benzi, Tiki Mama Benzi, Ulango, Ulango. Say, Tiki Mama Pay. I see Suye. Good morning, Sissy Morgan Ostandeva. In my coffee, Abu, hello, Abu, hello. generale, sia. Alla tua de giundo, Lucy, haha, chuada baka, Lucy chua de giundo, Lucy gonna miela. Ah, so say you gonna dance? Bele, Lucy chua de giundo, ayego, oh, kebo, haha. Nama pingo uru enanga baba he. Hello, Michina. Sese, badegunyundo. Yeah. You see that? You have to boy. You have to be. Yeah. You have to king it with hammer. Hammer. Nyundo. Hammer. Hello. Lucy. I see Lucy. Badegunyundo. Ah, si chuada. Gona mela. Ale. Lucy na. Yeah. Where are you from, man? One more kodi wodi mama. Wodi ko. Doku murido ye. Na jomo kode. Yeah. Lucy badegunyundo. Bele. Badegunyundo. Nyachwada. Kode kumalu. Are you dancing now? Yore. Jenu kumelo. Bele bele. Jenu makumelo. Alo bele. Lucy mama. Yeah. Ya lungona nyako Lucy. Wololo Lucy. Wololo Lucy. Nyachwada. Allo. Bodantia. Ngama pingi bele. Bele bela mos. Ngama pingi bele. Emma. Lucy mama budo. No bele chwadeginyundo. Lucian. Lucy can can one landlord ya ndiye mwenye landi. Bele kuna waya yole nuken baba lele. My brother you are lucky. You have Lucy. Yeah, Dunya. King of my king. Yeah. Lucy Verna. Ya veron di sore. Yeah. Ya chuade. Yeah. Keno jama boom. Aguero Jensi. Yamba Bele wacho dolula kine nyinge. Toma solson de ba. Kine no jingu bele. Tokuniga no kenjalu. Lucy. Kono vai Lucy. Oriti Lucy. Sale mia kena. Aguero Jenzi. Yaseme jomoso. Binuangi nyongo. Yeah. Seme malo. Seme leru. Yeah. I see the day. Lucy mela. Yeah. Keno chama. I see water. Jamago bongingo to wachango. Nyaseme, don't move. Kura kadua wiri. Hey, omera take manatari guys. Kura dongi, aneno kadongi jo manage serious. Gengema. Angeo namba ma meni. Yeah, keep on watching nyatewa. Yeah. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. This is Mugenda. For those who are watching, thank you so much, Lucy Erokamano. Have a good time with my morning vibe. Winona from United States. How are you morning, Winona? How is United Omera? How is Trump? Tell me about Adwa collab kwach. Ano katamga collab baba. Inbia biwa cham collab. You need a collab. No problem. Yeah, we know now. Goodbye, we know now. Yeah. Bele, what you need? Kanya chaya. We are will. Kihash. Yeah. Well, Lucy. Yaseme malu. Yeah. Yaseme malu nginduma. Nubele mama. Nubele mama. Ah, blow. Apanko gajo seme. Tiger. Have you seen Semerero? Professor. You know a lot of professor. They came from Seme. Niyawanya Seme. Yeah. Seme. Niyawanya Seme. Ha ha. On my shield also in the mind. Yeah, temptation. Never fall in temptation, my brother. Yasema lungonya, Lucia. Yasema benda. Yeah. Yako machamu gasumbe. Tondi sore adua. Canton. How are you, Canton, my brother? Cantonese. Seme, no, Tiger, yeah, oh man, no, beautiful karma, also in the vibe. This is a morning bar. Now, Tenga, yeah. Beautiful karma, morning, yeah. Now, Tenga, Seme dance, Seme mila, Seme dance, yeah. Hello, gajo Seme, get on, hello. Mano nyolo bele, bele. Mano nyaseme, bele nyaseme, yeah, seme, ha. Taiga, utawezana, ukipewa, utawezana. Yeah, japenji wich nyalo gatingo wich mapek. My G, how are you, Kento? You wanna go in nyuma ya tent? It's you my choice, belly. Yeah. Tiger, my brother. Mwanaume ni kujiamini. Kuna nini? Ama sawa. Mwanaume ni kujiamini. Lele. Eddie. Canton all the one. Walai siji kama mtawezana, lakini like man ulolo enjoy Cantonese. How are you, Cantonese? Rob neno la mnanyaseme. Yeah. Ushamba juogi Magdala asubuhi. Halo. Awinjo ng'at moro kaendi ng'atni we timne gi gima timo kaka yo wang'. Block this guy. Let me block him, by the way. Not be able to. Yeah, confirm. Yeah. Iwuoyo marach to atieko mana kod nyathiwa. Nikech ok akone none. Kendo, let's continue. Ase block. Omuga mokanyo. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. If you are not subscribed, guys, tafadhali subscribe. Asante sana bele nyatijo seme. Kento, tell me, my brother, I'm really happy seeing you. Very special vibe. I see Lucy also watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. I see play traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional, man. Mr. Ready for yeah. Oh, I'm ready. Yeah. I born in Kenya, but I come from Canada very young. Good morning, ready. These are traditional of Kenya. We are here with Bele. You remember that? If you're watching, keep on watching. Makiku. Belainga. Yeah. Hello. Ready, fine. Ready, Baba. Yeah. Belenya seme. Taiga. Chukua mutu taiga. Don't walk, don't. Ready, Baba. Ani beauty. Kumulungo bele mama. Reading fire. Reading. Mr. Reading Fire, the team. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bernard Archer. Yeah. Raiden, thank you, my brother. Reading Fire, team. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I see. Thank you so much. Busai. Reading, my brother. These are traditional Kenya, Africa. Traditional, my brother. Let's see. Bele, oh, my mama, Bele. Can I see Nyuma already? Can I see her? Yeah, you can see. Bernard Asher. Thank you so much, Bernard Asher, for joining. The instrument is here, bro. This is the instrument. This is it. No, nothing. Yeah, this is the instrument. This is a trip box. If you send me something, I put here. Amera, into ngamunyi zine nyerka. Hello. Hey, yeah. Yeah, have you seen the instrument now? You are happy. Thanks so much, Bernard Asha. Don't go in any to Japati, Jabe. Yeah, Yamaro, Yaseme. Never win your back. Can I see? Thanks so much, guys. Keep on watching. Kushia. Ready, most on the Takisa. Hah? Kushawayo. Yeah. Dada. Kush, there's a day you saved my life. I thank you so much, Kush. Yeah. Alala moni koto kwedi. Auruaki bele. Redeem on the fire. Alala moni koto kwedi. Kushia. Dada baba teno koda kush. Sam awero tum joluo. Ya kush manyaluo. Yeah. Jambeno mama teno konya. Yeah. Dada. I don't know how to appreciate you, Kush, for what you did. Well, no. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Panyakini Mganga, self-lava. Remember, we are here with reading. Korade, I have good day. Abud. Ongema tek nyatewa. Gini dinya kasadik. Lolo kush mama. Dada ya. Dada ya. Wa bimna kwa chilu manu dada kwa chul mama. Dichwa kogi woko. Nyako sana wacha sermeni. Yeah. Ay dada. Have you got that? Dr. Mr. Redding. Fine. Reading fine. Have you get that? Yeah. Reading fine. There's something I say. What my grandfather tell me long time ago. Sally, if you want to seduce a lady, you have to check her mother first. But when you find her mother is looking ugly, you have to compare with my grandfather and mom. If they are looking the same, you better look alcohol, my brother. Yeah, Sele. You have to drink your alcohol. Leave that lady alone. Because all of them, they are ugly. Yeah, say, lolo dada baba, lungo dada baba, lungo dada baba. Yeah. How are you, Sais? Good morning, Madam Sais. Have you seen Dada? Yeah. Neno Buddha, Wangoni. Neno Buddha, Umulungo, Neno Buddha, Asito. Asito. Dada, if you allow me, I can take Sais sincere. Yeah. You really miss my mama. You are joking. You want them to kill me, Omera. Dada. Bueno, dada, baba. Omini, dada, baba. Ilu ngano dada kwa chun mama tiko you no go dako you akne kayu wochene yawa. Why? Keep on watching, guys. This is Makam Genda. Let me take water, bwana. Kwani ni kesho? Yeah. Saizi ni aje? Hebu niambie. Wewe unapenda ngoma yangu? Wewe unanipenda ama unanipenda? What's the instrument called? Nyatiti. You like me ama you like my instrument? Say the truth. Or you like what I am doing? Mwacha die nyatewa. Because you know werna oyundi napenda wewe. Thank you so much, my brother. Redeem fine this vibe. Gepi nango bwana. How are you morning? Gepi. Pia wimbo ya zako Gepi. How are you, my brother? Forget Swahili, I need to learn again. Jambo naye, I know you know. Yeah, let's continue, guys. 1 minute. Alexi, thanks so much. Keep on watching. Kisumu. Kisumu. Edimo. Jambo. The real also never. Oyundi manea. Sayis, I have already subscribed to your YouTube channel. As you say, Anguka nayo. Thank you so much. Nyatiti marapala. Oyundu no diot. Oyundu no diendali. Daddy. I have subscribed. I see you there dancing in studio. Kumbe unajua kukatika size. Oyundo nilikie. Oyundo nilikie. Yeah. Constant. I see you. Also in the vibe, Rudabi, Dollar, reading fine, yeah. Oh, you don't need the yumpy, oh, you don't know the yeah, lovely, you wanna be, oh, you know, Mama, digital, we gonna dance, yeah, oh, you know, lion. You know, I don't know how to call Oyundu in English. Alexi also in the vibe. Nango timbani yopingi. Oyundu ni DJ. Oyundu no dindani. Yeah. Daddy. Thank you so much. Abiro Kisumu wachamengege dunga elka. Yeah. I will. Abiro Kisumu wachamengege dunga elka. Yeah. Dada. Sofio Mera, Mr. Mapesa. Hey Mapesa, you have to share what you have, man. Atela. What's the meaning of Atela? Yeah. Nabiro Kisumu wachambuda. Adano. Oyundo lebite. Oyundo nebita. Oyundo lebiyomki. New beach in Kisumu. Oh, Atela. I don't know. You know, I was just in there, I knew. But I think I know. The name you mean Kotelea. Adano! Yeah! I was performing there in Dunga Hill Camp several times. Adano Baba! Oh, you know me, oh, you don't know oh, you don't know yeah. Oh, you don't know oh, you don't know you are Mogoma. Honestly, Nango Pumbane, your pingy, yeah, Jetty. Nango Pumbane, Marwan. Nyatiti marapala. Odano nene uzo. Patrico. Bato bato, yeah, bato bato da. Bato baba nene budo, yeah. Daddy from Kisumu ya. Yeah, to jeti nene budo. Hello, party party, Patrick baba. Party akondani, bole bole. Mosumos, yeah. Hello, Daddy tell you do one thing. You nabilo, yeah. Daddy, thank you so much, Daddy. Daddy, yeah. Jackie Sumodala, hello, yeah. You nabilo, you do it, hello. Oyundo sungore, are you getting that, Daddy? Odano. Oyundo sungore. Dodu agachimo. Yeah, dodu agachimo. Kachimo seche. Oyundo no ses. Oyundo odano. Oyundo no ses. Holy. Have you seen Oyundo? Yeah. Have you seen Oyundo? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Polly. Betty, Jetty mama. Daddy, winyo, yeah. Oya winyo sungone, wangu winyo sungone, kabano. Yeah, wangu terane uji. I know that one you want. Kabano. To winyo sungone, wangu winyo sungone. Winyo sungone, wangu winyo sungone. Kana, hey, kana, Oli, kana, yeah, hello, kana, Daddy there. I see, enjoy, you see later, enjoy, I'm going one, enjoy, I'm going one. Thanks so much, Daddy, thank you so much, may God bless you. Thanks so much, Daddy, thank you so much, may God bless you. I appreciate your time being here there. Appreciate your time being here there. Being here, my friend. I don't know how to appreciate you. Daddy Yakisu, Katia, yeah, Katia, Katia, my lad. How are you, Kapiani? To Jetty. Yeah. Monsita, good morning. I wanna join you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, Jeti mama. Have you danced Nyatiti? Yo, Jeti mama. Oh, no, Jeti mama. Ah, I had a jockey soon. Yeah. Oh, no, Jeti hello. Ah, Kakakuku. Kakakuku, Benefu, Tanga. Kakakuku. Yeah. Mary. Well, no, Mary, mama. Yeah. Lomo Jeti mama. Ah, King of Rock. Yeah. Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Ah, it's a traditional one. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Dara, but still, I see you. Thank you so much for coming back, Gomera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Jamiriam Bodoge doing. 1 minute, guys. I'm really sorry. Get that. We're going on Yoramba. Goldfish! Rambaya! Mr. Redding Fan! You have to come back in Kenya. Kenya, hakuna matata. Morning Goldfisher. Masha. We're going. Mr. Ready fine. The team. We're going. Want to Charamba. Yeah. Masha. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Machamalo, yeah, daddy. Gakisumo. Donani le chamalo, ha ha. Masha, Patias. Mother, Patias shows in the vibe. Thank you so much. Darling. Oye kore, want to Joramba. Yeah, oye kore. Ready. Devon. Yeah, how are you, Devon? You are welcome back. Oh, Mr. Best. Yeah. Devon. Tembala, really Africa. Adnasa. Oye kore, wadu jaramba. Yeah. Respect to Nasa, my world also the vibe. I want to buy myself Nyatiti. I'm blessed in South Africa. You want to buy that one? You want to buy? You are serious or you are joking, my brother? Because I have them, I sell them. You are serious or you are joking? At NASA, that's the question. Masha, you are serious or you are joking or you want to make me happy? Gloria, Bosnia, Omera. Now, but mine is not big. Yeah, I'm serious. Follow you in the box, my brother. If you are serious, no problem. By the way, I have my friend in South Africa. Is a lady. Even if how can I get to South Africa? Yeah, you know, in South Africa, we will just use shipping. We will just ship it from Kenya to South Africa. There's a way to ship instruments. You know, right now we are in a modern life. Yeah, so there's a way we can ship it from Kenya to South Africa. Or I have to ask my friend by the time he will coming, because I know I trust him 100%. He have been supporting me so much. I trust him so much. So it will depend with you if you want it, because you know I teach people how to play, not even just selling you and I leave you. I'll just teach you how to play, and that one I'll give you that classes in live. I think we will just communicate. Yeah. Let's continue with the vibe, guys. How are you, my brother? There's a guy watching on YouTube. Thank you so much. Hi, by the way, you have gone. Why? Yeah. Obishie. Again, you yeah. Demon mode, yeah. Demon buff, Lily, go on. You see the mom, yeah. Can you dance the same time? Yeah, you're gonna go. Ha ha. Oh, don't leave number one. Yeah, you see the number one. Ha ha. See much, Papa. Yeah, friend from. Yeah, that's friend from South Africa. See much, Papa. Kulawa. I don't know you are dancing. Don't you know? Oh, don't leave me a number one. Yeah, all of you. Ajoni, Cinda, tell me, Cinda. Thank you so much, my dear. You are normally. I have seen you here several times. We you with that NASA. Respect what NASA. Yeah, you know I am here. And I know you love that. Thank you so much, Cinda. Yeah, Manchester also on the vibe. Hey, Manchester girl. Doris C. Welcome Manchester girls. Zinda, how are you? Hello. I see Doris. J6 also in the right. Shashava. Moving down when you get. Yeah. J6, my brother. In the vibe, Simba. Oh, in the vibe, Abia. You wanna sing the map? Yeah, I got to do. Hello. Listen, can you dance? Yeah. Listen, can you dance? Can you dance? Nyatiti, Regina Katunga. Can you dance? Nyatiti, yeah. Ungeno kwenya Regina Katunga. Ungeno kwenya lo. I want you to sing the map. Hello. El Botielo. Botielo mundaga. Mugenda kwenya Botielo. Goodbye, sing the map. Lucinda, can you dance? Cinda, can you dance? Yeah. Sima. Yeah, thank you so much, Cinda. You are my friend or my best friend. Elvis Otieno. Mugeshi, ni aje? Yeah, there's a vibe now. Let's continue. Okay, I just think I left my tune now. Elvis Otieno, tonango boyna. Keep on watching, guys. It's Makam Genda with the morning vibe. Bluetooth is blasting. This is my big speaker. Devon. Yeah, Devon feel. Laka, Simba. I see Bluetooth is busting, Omera. Hey, Omera, Nyatiti, you know this instrument, bana. It's not a joke, bana. Cinda is my. Yeah. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. I'm your what now? Yeah, you are my best. Ana, mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Aliponiona kwa mara kwanza alifurahi. Aliponiona kwa mara kwanza alifurahi. Right back at you. Yeah. And grandfather is a night runner. Yeah. Anna, oh Anna. Yeah. Our grandfather is a native doctor. Anna, oh Anna. Yeah, sing that. Have you seen Anna? Let's go. Anna, Anna. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Let's go. Our grandfather is the witch doctor. Yeah, Devon. The daughter of a native doctor, she fell in love with the musician. Anna, Anna, oh Anna, yeah, Nel, Anna aliponiona kwa mara kwanza alifurahi, Anna aliponiona kwa mara kwanza alifurahi, Anna, oh Anna, yeah, sikuwa sikumpendi. Anna, Merrick, have you seen Anna? Merrick, yeah? Cinda, Cinda, have you seen Anna? Give on, my brother. 1 million, yeah? Lam lam, lam lam, nay, lam lam, hello. Kill me with the gift now, lam lam. Nelly, you can kill me with the gift. 1 million. Yeah. Oh, Anna, Anna. 1 million. Yeah. Yeah. Nell. Cinda, there's a day I fall in love with the daughter of a native doctor. Yeah. I'm praying, Anna aliponiona kwa mara kwanza alifurahi, Anna, how can I face up spirit dancing with the spirit, Anna, yeah. How can I face a family dancing with the spirit at night? Yeah. How can I face a family dancing with the spirit at night? Cinda, make addict, adding, yeah, and I see adding also in the vibe. Then my brother, Gimo, Gimo. Have you seen Nana? Ayala, I can't Cinda, I got her blast. Nail, kill me with the gift nail if you have. If you don't have, let's continue the vibe. How can I face a family dancing with the spirit in the night? How can I face a family dancing with the spirit in the night? Our grandfather is a native doctor. Yeah. Anna, oh Anna, Minji, Anna, yeah. Apex also in the mind. Gonna go. Yeah, guys. Juneless, yeah. Juneless in the vibe. Juneless in the vibe. Belonyang. Onyangine no ana. Onyangine no ana. Nyatiti abadu. Yeah, sikuwa simpendi Anale, mawe, sikuwa simpendi Anawe, I love Anna sana, aha, mawe, lighten up the vibe, lighten up the vibe, I love Anna mama, yeah. Lakini najiuliza, yeah, tukizaa watoto watakuwa wana muziki ama watakuwa wa muzimu? Yeah. Wow, that's the song. There's a song about Anna Line. Thank you so much. Adnasa, I was singing about the the lady, I have fallen in love with a lot of ladies, nigga. But this lady is very, very unique. The story is very unique at NASA. Her father is a native doctor, and the same her mother is a night runner. So the question I was asking, how can I face this family dancing with the spirit in the night? How? Yeah. Can I play for you and answer you listen to that music? Can I do it or you are okay? We continue with the vibe. Udano. Hmm? But I think you have already got it. Adinasa, Devon, Thank you so much, Adnasa. Think you think I'll dance, yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Divorce my brother. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody and us. When it comes to money, trust nobody. Trust nobody and us. Trust nobody divine. Yeah, Videla. Trust nobody. Hold on. Oh, miel. Trust nobody. Selepa. Oh, Amiera. Amiera. Yeah. We are bro. I have a great concept for it. Where are you? Harmony. Inbox me, Harmony. We will talk. I'm here. I'm here. Salifa. Trust nobody, Baba. When it comes to money, when it comes to money, everyone is a criminal. Everybody's a criminal. Yeah. Amira. By the time you are struggling, hold on. Nobody will care. Trust nobody. Six pack without money is like disability. Amiera. Yeah. Keep on watching. Yeah. Keep on watching. Yeah, the song is about trust nobody when it's come to. Enjoy it. I'm here. Oh, ignore. I'm here. Bangalero. Yeah. I'm here. Ah. I'm here, my brother. I don't know how to explain how I appreciate your presentation. Udano, Udano. Madam also in the van. Oh, ignore. Thank you so much, Kejon. Bangalero, yeah, Bangalero. Amira, Odano, Odano. I see Odano. Alex, Diego, Levomon, Kevin Mongoli. Onora tuonane tango kapodi onge kiwero. Yeah, Odano. Alexi. How are you, my brother? We are here with Odano. I'm here also in the vibe. Remember that? Abo. Bangalore. Jasmine. Bangalore. Yeah. Rehema. Ramo. Bangalore. Oh, yeah. Sonny. Yalo ya chuo. Yeah. Odano. Odano. Yalo ya chuo. Yeah. Hello. Guys, Odimo also in the vibe. Odano, thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Username there is Maka Mugenda. Yeah, Maka Mugenda with M-A-K-A Mestronia. Hello, how are you? Chitola, inuodi kanye baba. Bwana, Chito, ana wodi siaya. Ana wodi siaya bwana. Chito wachane. Yeah, right now we are talking in our vernacular. Mother tongue. I see Chito done also in the vibe, guys. When I see my clock, I remain with 7 minutes to end the vibe because I start very early. Aluso. Chito kimnane bwana. Ija gang. Gang mane bwana. No kaja gang bwana. Aja boro bwana. Aja lego boro. Yeah, asking where I'm from. I'm from Boro. Mutuse. Obwanda Jathum, Obwanda John, Ah. Bwana ngeo bwana, bwana ngeo bwana, ngeo bwana, bwana ngeo. Dawa ya machozi, dawa ya machozi, dawa hindika, wengine wanalia sana mama. Muduse, dawa ya machozi, dawa ya machozi, dawa hindika, wengine wanalia sana baba. Yeah. Mganga akikufa, wengine wanalia sana baba. Ishala boy, udano. Wachera sando tunyomira ziambo. Hello. To say, well, that's what you want. Now I am my chosen. I am my chosen. I keep on wengine wanalia sana baba. Udano. Bella oh, bella oh, bella mama. Bella, bella, bella mama. Ola rangi bolingo kokonya kanyoka. Sivalingali idoga idoke. Bakoringa ringa bolingo kidio baitoke. Ino baitoke. Yeah. Kamanod mama Wegaranga Nyako wegaranga Webonjo koda Inyalo kituwia. If you ask that one, I have already played one. Tap the screen, guys. I want to play for you one song, and this one will be the end of my vibe for those who are watching. Thank you so much, guys, for those who are watching. Mutia also in the vibe, guys. And right now we are continuing the vibe, and you know this is a traditional morning vibe. So as now, yeah, right now I want to play just one song. Blessed. Mokor de Mokoena. Flex also the man. Yeah. Yo. Arin Nyajon. I see Flex. Yeah, the missionary. Hallelujah, the missionary. Le missionnaire. Fazan. I see Naomi. Let's know Buddha. How are you, Flex, my brother? Naomi. La Forest. Omino loco, Berry. Yeah. How are you, Berry B? Berry free. Tumuero loco, Omino loco, Manista big man, Maniska big man. Yeah, good, Kulawa. Yeah. Alexi, ever soft, my brother. Yangala kwenya keni kumuwa kunko evanso luongo Irene Nyajon Waya Martin luongo na Irene Nyajon Nyajon in kanye bana Eversoft, thank you so much, keep on watching. Nyajon in kanye biro siche makora ang'we tieko almost atieko in kanye Nyajon adwa wera chiel ta tieko waya in kanyo. How old are you? Alexi Kisumu ahero. Omera yawa. Alexi, how old are you? I myself, you want to know how old I am? Bro, I'm old. I'm old enough. Nyajon. I'm old enough to to marry someone, but I'm still single. This is my song now. Yeah. Irene Manyara Jod. Irene Manya Suzanne. Mukanda Kwenya Ken. Yeah, Suzanne. Hello, Irene Manyara Jod. Johnny. Tumulum Nyara Jod. Suzanne. Tap the screen. Mukanda Kwenya Ken. Mukanda Kwenya Jod. Tumulum Irene. Yeah, the daughter of a John. You remember that? The daughter of Johnny. Alexi Ampati. Irene Manyara Jod. Yeah. Don't give me a lot. Don't give me a lot. Don't give me a lot. Irene Manyara Jod. Yeah. Come boom. Yo penyu benyaga. Hello. Imo miawero Nyara Jod. Hello. Irene Nyajon. Irene Manyara. Sheila Mama. Alexi also never hype. Sheila Mama. Have you seen Irene Nyajon? Richie. Irene Nyajon. Hello. Dodaki jam. Go Dubai map. Away Irene. Goodbye Irene. The daughter of a Johnny. Yeah. And your name out of you. Shampoo. Irene. Yeah. Richie. Togi Makoni Irene. Imami Tobo Kulawaya. Hello. Irene Imami Tobo. Richie. Goodbye Irene. Imami Tobo. Okadwa tieko wendo. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Richie. Tap the screen if you have something to share. You can share, Omera. Join and keep on watching, guys. For those who are watching on YouTube, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, Irene. Wachane wachimugi ka Irene. Adwa dirango kada madhi chayo Omera kichikaya kuruma. Wachane. Yonge watch. Anyalo ngado koro. Guys, thank you so much for those who watch me in my life. Yeah. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys, for being patient and watch what I do. May God bless you. It's Maka Mugenda. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys. Thank you so much. May God be with you. Iwo kureto ijakanya mera just yaya. Bella Mkurugen. How are you, Bella? Yeah. So I just I'm from Siaya. Lagos, yeah, Lagos, yeah. Okay. If you have already answered, if you have already done with your questions that you want to ask me, thank you so much, my guys. I don't have much to say. May God bless you. Until from 12 noon, I think I'll be vibing with you up to Sanane. That's the end of my vibe today. May God bless you. Josh, how are you? May God bless you. Yeah, Papa. May God bless you. Have a nice day. That's the end of my traditional morning vibe with Nyatiti. We are in guitar. Hi, where is guitar? Guitar is here, but and I am going. This is the guitar. Yeah, guitar is here, Josh. But Josh, tell me. Kill me with something, man. There we go. There we go. Okay, Josh. Tender. Hey, tender. Oh, tender. Let me play for you one song. Tender, I was going, but let me play for you one song. Tender, oh tender, Yoshia, Chimase. And I was going, but now let me play for you one song. Tender, oh tender. Where is Josie? Yo, you wanna know Magahe, Magahe. I text you, you like the melody. You like this melody. I got you. I will text you. I like this day. Okay? Yeah. Tender beauty, tender. Yeah. Tender beauty, tender. Ah. Hello. I wish I see wonder. Tender beautiful Omera. Yeah. Have you seen tender? Have you seen tender? When she smile, tender. When she smile, we kill us with the dimples. Yeah. Tender, oh tender. Tender, shaking, tender. Tender, oh tender. Tender, shaking, tender. Tender, oh yeah. Tender, shaking, tender. Ah. Yoshi dance. Go down, go down. Go down, tender, go down. Go down. Yeah. Check what mama gave you. Check what mama gave you. Hama, nyundo. Hama, nyundo. Tender, Lisa. Thank you so much, guys. Until 12 noon, I'll be back. Thank you so much. I have to take my medicine. You know, I'm still not fine. This is the time now for me to take my Andela. I better take Andela now. Thank you so much. Hey, good job. Hi. Agora ngelo kamu bien. Hey. Kusangu ngelo kini. Ino secha kotije. Ndio bana jichaji. Mungu akunyimi chote, akunyima talanta lazima kupea mwendo. Ndio maana nimepewa talanta nifikishe mwendo. Never give up. Thank you so much, my brother Mestronia, for watching. That's the end of my morning vibe. May God bless you. Asante sana. Iro kamano jadala baba. Kikwachwani